Hey, hey you, hey you, I'm back. Oh my gosh, like I made it. Like I went away and now I'm back. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. All right, so when we left off, we did our background. What we're gonna do now is we need to create a new layer because if we try to pretty much do anything here, it's going to block us and say, hey, you locked the layer, pal. All right, so we can go to the layers panel. Let's go ahead and so we're gonna create a new layer. But I want to show you a way to eliminate one step. So if you hold Alt and you click on the little create new layer, now mine is off the screen. I got to fix that next recording, but it's off the screen at the moment. But if you click on this little create new layer, you'll see the words create new layer so that you know you're at the right place. And again, I'm holding the Alt key down, click on it, and it's gonna pop up with a dialog box. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna name this one. This one's going to be our text new layer. Go ahead and name it text, and then choose OK. Notice it is on top of the layer stack as it should be, so we're good. All right, so we also need to make sure that we select the text layer as well. All right, so our instructions say to draw a text box across the last column. So I'm going to navigate to that last column, which is over here, the third column over. I'm going to make sure I have the type tool because we have to draw a text box. And what you're looking for when you do this is I'm going to make sure I position my cursor in the upper left corner, bring it down, but I want to make sure it's at 4. What did it say? 4. This is box. Yep, 4.0, 4PO. All right, so now once I get to 4PO, I'm at 19 in width. I'm going to go ahead and let it go. Notice now our cursor is in there waiting for some action. Let's go ahead and give it what it wants. USS Ronald Reagan. You're probably not seeing my text. You're like, what is happening? It's okay. Hit return. And let's go ahead and put the call number in there so that left paren, CVN, yep, -76. And I'll go ahead and put the right parentheses in there. So it should be very tiny and black. That's just because we haven't done anything to it yet. Don't start panicking. It is okay, guys. I got you. I got you, guys. I got you. All right, so let's go ahead and select the text with our type tool. Remember, this is our control panel, right? So up here, this is our control panel. Right now, it's giving us the options that we need for type, which is pretty sweet. Now we need to find our character field, which is over here. You guys see that? So this is the character field. All of these are fields. All of these little boxes. There's the label for the field and then the field value itself. Okay, makes sense? It makes sense to me. So I think if it makes sense to me, it makes sense to you. That's what I'm going with. That's my story. I am sticking to it. All right, so let's go ahead. We already selected our text. We want to make sure. So this is going to be our headline text box. So the font that we want for this one is going to be Franklin Gothic. You know what? I am at home. I don't have the same fonts, and I have Typekit. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, so pretend you're using Franklin Gothic. I'm going to have to go and grab it, and I'll grab it in the next break. But for now, let me see what fonts do I have installed. I don't install everything because it weighs down my computer like crazy. I don't see Franklin Gothic. You know what? I'm going to use... Let me look at that font. I'm going to use a sans serif. Just for now. Let me go ahead, and the style is regular. We want the size to be 21 points. So over here, where the font size is, let's go ahead and make that 21 points. All caps. Now all caps, see this area over here? The first one is all caps, where you have the two T's and they're about the same size, but they're tall. Down here, small caps, and so forth and so on. But let's go ahead and choose all caps because it told us to. Then we want the justification for this to be centered. Well, if we look up here, we don't have those options. So down here where it says paragraph, let's go ahead and click that, and look, what do you know? We have those options. How awesome is that, right? I know, right? All right, the last thing that we want for now is we want it to be the color of paper, which is our white. So I'm going to click on the character formatting. I'm going to go to the font where I can make a change over here. I'm going to make a change to the color, so the font color. And the color, it said paper, so I'm going to click that. Okay. Now I know with my font, I'm probably going to want mine to be bold. You don't have to. I'm doing this because, remember, I'm on my Mac and I don't have all the fonts that are installed, obviously, that are obviously installed on the PC. But that's okay. We'll get through this. Alright, justification of paper. Alright, guys, I think this page is actually done at the moment for the time being. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys in a bit because I'm gonna end this now right here, and then when we come back, we'll start working on text frame options, the text box, paragraph styles, and all that fun stuff. But for now, taters of later, after Wow Cracker Dow, I will see you guys in a bit. All right? Cool. Let me go ahead and stop this recording. So see you guys in a few.